ngona kuti general uyu anenge atori mukomana atori innocent, ndiye ari kutoda kutostopa kuda kutomisa corruption iri kuitika mudhe regime. Sanapinda masvika mudanyiro panapa ibva subscribe like kuti on the bell like tipina panapa wagomera commentators mudanyiro achiti ete press recently Chris Muchangwa intimated that VP was behind his son's arrest and not Mnangagwa. His son's illegal and economically destructive activities should have been swept under the carpet and not made public, as he and his wife are big dogs. Were it not for VP Chiwenga, the drugs scandal would have been also swept under the carpet, and that former DJ turned minister would not have been fired and arrested. The 2030 thugs do not want to see the back of Mnangagwa as he protects and defends their corrupt and illegal practices. VP Chiwenga has been fighting corruption in ZANU-PF, only to be seen as an enemy by people like Muchangwa who feel entitled and beyond the reaches of the law. On posted this picture, Amurkona, our government corruption we have seen. Sure the deep-seated corruption we have not seen in the government. Thomas Warubla Stogopana community mukomana anonzi Chiwenga aiwa achipiwa mafalse claims against aiwa ndiye ari kukonzeresa kuti aiwa vana Muchangwa relatives avo vasungwa and the likes. Panapa vanhu vautozobuda kutozoona the truth kuti aiwa mukomana ari kupiwa mhosva ndiye mukomana tori innocent, ari kuda kutozama kuda kutodzosera zvinhu aiwa pazvinhu muline mugwara charo charo. Toziva mafungiro emo kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Tiona general vachipa vindicated. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.